Hi, I'm Natasha, and welcome to my TechnoChic studio. When I was a kid, my parents owned a small computer store. I was this crafty, colorful thing inside this larger tech world, and I remember doing my little craft project sitting in that store. TechnoChic is using my skills in crafts and glitter and mashing that up with interactive technology so that I can create the most joyful thing possible. In this section of my studio, I do costumes and puppets and all sorts of things on my sewing machine. I went with the walking foot because this foot brings the top and bottom pieces of fabric through the machine together, sewing extra thick fabric, Velcro onto things, sewing through craft foam or sandpaper or other types of paper. This Cricut Maker is basically a CNC machine that I can keep on my desk, so I can design projects in something like Adobe Illustrator and then have it cut out that shape that I've created. Over here is where I work on the electronics part of my projects. I have all of my electronic components at arm's reach, and I have all of my tools here ready to grab. This is my soldering station where I'll solder together my electronic components. I have my fan that I place in the window, and I'll turn that on, and then I can place my components in these little clamps, and that makes it easy for me to hold my component as close to my fan as possible so that all of the exhaust gets pulled out the window. I have my PPE handy so that I can grab it and get to work. With every project, I feel like it's not finished until I've shared how I did it with as many people as possible by making video tutorials. I have set up this table to be super functional. I have my camera set up on my C-stand over there so that I can bump my table while I'm making and it doesn't affect the camera. These lights are my favorite new toy because I can turn them to face me, or I can put them down to light the thing that I am talking about on camera. This is just the most versatile space in my entire studio. I also can move the table up and down so I can change my camera angle and make it work for me. Thanks for visiting my studio today. Follow me online for tutorials where I make all sorts of things from crafts to technology. I'll see you there.